Imagine spending weeks designing a survey only to realize your data is riddled with bias, or worse, useless. The Survey Design Pack fixes this with validated question templates, stratified sampling calculators, real-time response validation, and automated reliability testing. Whether you're an academic researcher, market analyst, healthcare professional, or social scientist, this pack turns chaos into clarity. No more guessing games, just smarter surveys that actually work. Here's what's inside the Survey Design Pack. Question library with Likert scales and branching logic. Sampling planner for population stratification. Distribution tracker with response rate heat maps. Analysis toolkit for Cronbox alpha and factor analysis. Visual dashboard for publishable charts. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your research just got a supercharger. Installing the Survey Design Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add survey design pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: question design, sampling, distribution, analysis. Next session, your AI assistant auto-detects the pack, unlocking smart question suggestions, sampling warnings, and instant report drafts. No PhD required, just type and deploy.